Most people went with the bottles, eh?
Right?
Good luck.
Thanks.
How long did that take you?
Huh? Not me.
You made it, you made it.
Give it a push.
And we've just been offered €50. And we will collect.
All right, let's look at our next vote, Brendan.
Can you tell us what it means? What was the wet room?
Hang on the name.
Well, it's a long story, and we develop from youth, and we grow into adolescence, it becomes more apparent that there are dreams that develop us.
Yes, there are. Thank you very much. I know they're sharing a court chair together, and I don't know where it'll end. All right, boys, well done. Grab a photo. Let's get a photo of you guys, so let's go to our next vote. Judges, did we get through you all then? Yes, we did.
Demerit points. Demerit points on.
All right. Got a bit of a family show here. Now, so run us through your vote.
Just a variety of equipment from the cabin,
All right, beautiful. Well, let's get you going here. So there's your daughter at the helm there, mate. Yep. All right, take a vote for a walk. Well done, young lady.
Yeah.
Oh, keep going. Oh, give her a round.
Yeah.
Dan, while we're here, we've got everyone together. Do you want to christen the baby? We can. You know, a priest or a religious person, we'll do it some other time. It's fun. All right, judges, what do we think of this boat? What's the name of the boat again? R&R. Okay, R&R. John, what do you think?
well, I think this is the first family effort, or the families all involved, that points for that for sure. And what's HMAS for you, is that for us? $3, that's what the driver there. KCR. Very good, very good. Definitely up on this.
Yeah, that'll win our hearts. We'll use those on board. Extra points for sure. I concur, actually. I think it's a very, very good family effort. Being a family entertainer as I am, I believe that it's worth extra points. Except that I've run out of points to give.
All right, thank you, judges. Thank you, family. Well, I got a photo. There you go. Grab your vote. All right, next up, a couple of strapping young lads. Loaded their vote. Ready to go. What's the name of your boat there, mate? You forgot. Was it actually called I Forgot? No. How do you think it's going? All right. You can follow your boat around if you want, boys.
Well done.
Oh, the wind's turning it beautifully.
Well done. Well done. Hey, well
judges. Where are they? They're making our way up here somewhere. Where are our judges? What a lineup of judges too. We had some of the finest. Of course, competing today for the big prize, $250,000 US. So it's a huge prize. You can see Brandon for the money afterwards. Okay, let's get our judges up here. First of all, he's the John Farnham impersonator. You've seen him down around the ship. He's a great guy, Mr. Mike V. Get him up here, Mike V. Thank you. Second judge. Why don't we make some noise for this man, Mr. John Williamson? Thank you. And our third judge, just knocking back the last part of a beer, Mr. Normie Rowe.
What about the man who does such a great job, Cossie?
Thank you, boys. Now, I believe you have the winner, yeah?
We just we had it was a very tough competition. Give it up for everybody, folks. They did a fantastic job. And we know which one Normie wanted to give the prize to, but we outvoted him. I'd like to recognise a couple of things. First of all, I thought the terrorist trailers one put a great effort in, so give it up for them as well. And that was one of my choices, Normie.
I rather think that, and you're right. I've already received my my bonus. Oh God! Don't anybody put that on Facebook. Sorry, that's my heart. I can't believe the industry that went on over a few plastic bottles and condoms. and we didn't even realise that some of them were using bras as sails. That was yours. Yeah, they weren't very big bras. John.
I should let you do the talking, Normie. You're doing really well. Well, first of all, I think the first boat that got across was little Adam with Spitfire in it. And not only that, the sail was an Aussie flag and it worked beautifully, so I thought that was very ingenious. But, and also the girls, that was fantastic. The bride was well received, but I was really thirsty, but we're not going to give it to them. Yeah. No. We also got a bourbon, so that sort of cuts that bribe out a bit. But I think we all agree that the one that made it very quickly was Blue Water. Was it Blue Water that made it very quickly? Which was the one? We're a bit confused. The little green one that got shot right across. Was that Blue Water? Yes, give them a big round. It's got a huge round of applause at the time. Yes, bring the boat up. Bring the boat up. Yeah, that was a beauty. It really shot across the water, and I think we have to come down on what it is to get the tunes and watch them out. They did it. You're a bit lucky with the wind, probably at the time. What's the baby's name?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Is this your baby? She couldn't give a shit. What's going on?
Hey!
Hey. Oh, it's a boy. Sorry, mate.
Slept through the whole lot.
I'll give it to Normie. He keeps talking too much. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, the Raffies, who also did a great job with their boat, to be able to donate to the Walking. It's a charity that looks after guys who've come back from the more recent wars and me looking after the Walking Wounded. Donated $500 especially for that charity, so that's a pretty big effort. I was very pleased with it. So that's fantastic. What a good afternoon, Cossie.
You betcha. What about a round of applause for our winners for today? Thank you! Why don't you come up the front? We'll get a photo. Might get the judges in there as well. We'll get our photographers down here. We'll get a photo of you guys. Someone wake up the baby. They're surrounded by Aussie legends. Okay, get your cameras out there. Don't let them bring you down. Beauty is inside. Don't let them bring you down. All right. And everyone's asking asking about the prizes. Here they are, guys. Congratulations. Some for you. And there's yours. Oh, and here's a good idea. Take this for this little boy here. What's his name again? Make sure you take that, and then on his 21st, you can have a beer that John Williamson has passed to the little baby boy. That's a good idea. You've got to keep this beer till he's 21. It'll taste terrible, but it tastes average anyway, doesn't it? So there you go, John. Why don't you hand over a beer? We'll give him this one. Sign it.
And Gabriel, what do you have to say about that?
Little babies had one too many Kahlua breast milks, I think. All right, there you go. Have that beer. Oh, they don't like that beer. Pick this beer. There you go. You get them all. Well, what about a round of applause for our judges? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great